Yes, it's another Claude video, and I'm sure you're bored of Claude by now, but don't be, because this video is an absolute game changer. I've actually just discovered this myself, although I believe it's been around for a little bit, but let me explain it right now. This feature allows you to make Claude your spy tool, where it can identify bestsellers so that you can actually create them yourself and actually make money. So let me explain. You're actually able to put Claude on your Chrome extension. Make it your Chrome extension so wherever you're browsing on the internet, you can ask it questions about what it's seeing. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. And on today's video, I'm actually going to use Etsy as my guinea pig platform, where I'm going to get it to identify a few things so it can help me make better designs than my competition and help me obviously make a bit more money. So check this out. So first things first, I'm going to show you how you need to do this. So we want to put Google on our extension. So first thing I'm going to say is search Chrome extensions, right? And then I'm just going to click Chrome Web Store. Okay, then I'm going to click Claude. Click Claude, and then we've got Claude here on our screen. So this is the one that we choose. It's still in beta mode, but that's okay. We click it, and here it is. Now, all you need to do is add Chrome, or add to Chrome, should I say. And what this does is, I mean, it's going to be amazing because it literally will analyze everything. Okay, so I've added it to Chrome. Add to extension. Yes, thank you so much. Go into that little puzzle in the corner. Make sure it's pinned. Where are you? Pin. There it is at the top. Okay, cool. Now we can do what we need to do. Got to log in. Okay, so let me log in very quickly. Authorize. Remember, you can always take it out anyway whenever you want. Okay, so let me go to the internet. Okay, cool. So I'm back on Google. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in Etsy. Let me just get Etsy up. Okay, so I got my Etsy screen, right? Now, this is going to be interesting. So this is what I'm going to do. I want to test this out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to type in, let's say, a type of digital product, right? AI art style. I'm going to choose a type of wall art, right? Wall art. Okay, so I got all these different types of wall arts, and you can see these pet portraits, fabulous personalized custom, things that I teach. If you're interested in this, check out the link below. I teach this in my new school community, but I'm just looking at the ones that are selling really well, obviously. So I've got information. All the numbers at the bottom, by the way, are using EverBee, my go-to research tool. I've got the link for my research tool. You can try it out also for free. It's called EverBee. And you can see these numbers here. Can you see these numbers? Whoops, sorry. Fantastic numbers, sales, listing age, and so on. So I'm going to choose a bestseller, find a bestseller, something that's been selling well, recent seller that's been doing very well, and then try to get some ideas about what I could do if I was selling this niche, but make it better. So, identifying something that's working right now, I'm going to go for something that's maybe 1 or 2 months old and something that's making some decent sales already. So, I'm just going to go up, 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 up. This bestseller's got 3 month old listings, 74 monthly sales. And like I said, I teach pet portraits as one of the things that I teach. It's absolutely fantastic, making good money, good sales. And that's the one that I'm going to go with, right? Because obviously, let's say I want to look at this listing, but I want to make it even better. And I'm going to get Claude to help me to do that. And because you've hooked up the Chrome extension, it's going to be analyzing everything literally right now. So let me click on it. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm on the listing right now, this pet portrait listing that's doing really well. It's a bestseller, it's making sales, it's 3 months old, it's not that old. So it's a really perfect one for us to analyze, something recent, something that you can get into. Obviously choose something in your own niche, recent seller, bestseller, so that you can analyze it, because that will be the kind of listing you can tend to get into quite quickly, especially if you do your analysis properly through Claude. Now, This listing is making approximately, let's have a look, $2,312 per month. Really good money. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to analyze this and I want to find its strengths, weaknesses, and how to actually make it even better so that potential customers would come over to my listing and maybe buy more from my own listing, right? So, this is what you do first of all. So, you go up to Claude, click the Claude icon, and then this box comes up. Now, really important that you choose Opus 4.8 at the top, most capable version. It really gives a great analysis. And then what will happen is it give you a little message box at the bottom, right? So I'm going to paste in my little message, which I've typed up. I've just pasted it in just to make it a bit quicker for the video. And I've said, have a look at this best-selling listing. Tell me why it's so popular and selling well. Tell me its strengths and weaknesses. Tell me how I can improve on it and make even more sales. So I want it to do some really deep analysis on the listing. Now, because it's on Chrome, because it's actually on screen, it will be able to find all the information from the listing, from the URL, from the screen, and hopefully bring me back some vital information, the kind of information that you probably pay for quite a lot from some consultants. But luckily for us, we don't need that anymore. Anyway, so I'm going to click generate, the orange button. And now what it's going to do is it's going to start looking. Okay, so now it's analyzing the Etsy listing for improvements, it's saying, and it's basically asking me to approve the plan. The plan is to read the full Etsy listing, looking at everything, title tags, photos, description, so on, analyze what's driving its popularity and sales success, identify the listing's key strengths, identifying weaknesses and gaps, and providing concrete recommendations. Fantastic, that's what I want. I'm going to approve the plan, and now it's going to do the full analysis for me. And you'll be surprised how quick it can be, guys. Honestly, it is super fast and super detailed as well. Reviewing now the product listing details, extracting page text, taking screenshots. Wow, even screenshots. That's crazy. God, it's even actually it looked at all the images. It started to click around on the listing. That's crazy. It actually reviewed the mock up images one by one, guys. It actually started to click the screen by itself. That's a little bit scary. Analyzing comprehensive product listings. Here is my full breakdown now. Okay, so it's giving me a full breakdown right now. Right, it's gone through a whole thing. Firstly, why is it selling? It says the core reason is that it sits at the intersection of three things that reliably sell on Etsy. This is very interesting for you guys as well, because some people are selling the wrong things or have the wrong designs. And sometimes you sell things you think will sell rather than what actually sell. Now, look, it says this is reliable on Etsy. It's personalized. It's emotional, giftable, right? People like to buy personalized items, things that have an emotion. And guys, this is what I keep saying, and this is why I teach this in my new school community. Things like pet portraits, things that people love, like their families or pets, are emotional and giftable. And this is something that Etsy loves. So this is a personalized, which is your actual pet, and it's emotional, giftable. And on top of it, it's even funny. Perfect. It says pet portraits doing funny bathroom things is a really good, memorable, gift worthy niche and stands out in search and is instantly shareable. It's the kind of thing that people screenshot and send to friends, which drives organic discovery. It's also digital, which is huge. Structural advantage, zero minimal costs, no shipping, instant scalability. Again, what's its strengths? The first photo is excellent. It shows all four frame prints in one grid with a bold, comes with all four prints. So it immediately communicates value and format, right? So this is a really important point, guys. Your main image is absolutely paramount to selling your listing. It's telling you there. The image stack is thorough. It includes a video, the background color options laid out visually, the design choices, and how to order flow. This pre-answers buyer questions, which is exactly why conversion is high. Guys, customers always have questions. You need to answer these questions within your listing images before they even start looking at the product description and the FAQs, because they might never get there. The copy is well structured and on brand, right? The niche choice is the real strength. Funny plus bathroom plus custom pet is differentiated, evergreen, and highly giftable, right? So it's giving you a lot of these strengths. It's telling you exactly why it's doing so well, right? The biggest one is that the customer journey is clunky for a digital product, Buyers pay first, then have to message about what they about the photos separately. A few specific gaps. The description lists 12 design choices but only 5 background colors. That's interesting. There's inconsistency between the description and the options menu. Okay, only 2 sizes, 5 by 7, 8 by 10. There's no clear upsell path. Okay, so how do you make more sales? This is giving you now a clear blueprint, right? The highest leverage move is to reduce post purchase friction. Fantastic, right? So basically, how to upload the photos to the checkout and so on. Lean on to harder visually so fewer people default to messaging. Good. Expand the offer to drive more conversion average orders. So basically, add a clearly cat friendly version. Oh, this is interesting because this listing is geared for pets. However, it's very dog centric, which means that a lot of the imagery and the wording is towards having a dog portrait rather than a cat portrait. So what they're doing is they're missing out on a lot of sales because people think it's only for dogs. However, it's for all pets. So it's such a fantastic point, guys, and analysis. It says also add an upsell, cross sell ecosystem, optimize for search and seasonality, finally fix small inconsistencies. Guys, everything that is mentioned absolutely makes a lot of sense. Now, use this for your own niche to analyze your bestsellers. But actually, I would go further. Not only analyze your bestsellers so that you can improve on those, analyze your own listings. Let Claude analyze your listings thoroughly. Look at the strengths and weaknesses and literally give you a blueprint on how to improve your designs. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.